Relationships are not exams to pass or fail, and not a competition to win or lose. It's a feeling in which you care for someone more than yourself. If it costs you your peace, it's not worth it. There is no greater wealth you can find in this world like peace of mind. Let go of the people who dull your shine, poison your spirit, and bring you drama. Cancel your subscription to their issues. To find peace, you have to be willing to lose your connection with the people, places, and things that create all the noise in your life. If you find that people are trying to put you down, realize that there is something about you that makes them scared. God never sends you into a situation alone. God goes before you. He stands beside you. He walks behind you. Whatever situation you have right now, be confident. God is with you. Single is not a status. It is a word that describes a person who is strong enough to enjoy life without depending on the wrong one. Subscribe. Never trust a friend who is silent about your flaws. They are watching you, waiting for you to fail or fall. The longer a person is single, the greater is his desire to remain single. Life is full of ups and downs. Without a down, up means nothing.